The Utilities section. Use this area to review the utilities contracts you'll need to consider and to store relevant documents for easy access by leaseholders. The great thing about this section is that we've put together for you a checklist of the types of utilities contracts you'll need to consider. The File Storage and Notes tabs allow you to quickly record and send information that other users can then easily access when they need to. And you can also set task reminders so the system will prompt you automatically about important renewals or payments. And I'll show you how to do all that in a moment. Other parts of the resident system that use the data from this section are the Files archive, the calendar, the Accounts section, and the block dashboard. Now let's run through the navigation. You can jump to any other section of Resident via the shortcuts on the black panel to the left of your screen here. Clicking on the block dashboard link here takes you back to your list of blocks. The system times you out after 20 minutes, so if this happens, you'll have to select your block again to get back in and view your block dashboard. If you find it easier, you can also use the drop-down menu across the top of your screen to select a block, view messages or send a new one, create a new block or log out, or contact resident user support. If you have more than one block, the name of the block that you're currently in is shown here on the top toolbar. Clicking on this also takes you to the block dashboard for that block. Clicking the back arrow on your web browser will take you back to the previous screen that you were in. Now let's go through utilities step by step. This panel lists all the different types of utilities contracts you might need to set up. Clicking on any of them, or on the Details tab next to them, takes you through to this screen where you can log details of the contract. Adding the date down here links it to the calendar, so a reminder can be set for renewal, and adding the value will link it through to your accounts. And don't forget to save changes at the bottom to finish. You can upload files from your computer so that you can share copies of contracts or statements with leaseholders or other users. Just click on Choose File, select it from your computer, add any notes to identify it, and then upload. And it will appear here in your list of files. Clicking on a heading will sort by that column, and you can search through already saved files by typing into this search box here, or scrolling through the previous and next buttons. Clicking View will download it to your computer. On the Notes tab, this is where you can add notes or reminders. If you tick Create as a task and then add a due date, it will appear in your list of tasks in the task sections and on your block dashboard, so the system will send you a reminder when it's due. And you can see previously entered notes down the bottom of the screen. You can find more resident how-to guides on our YouTube channel and in our resources section, and if you need more help, just hit the support button on the top right-hand corner of your screen.